More breaking news that's coming in. Air Accident Investigation Bureau is to start an inquiry. Order has been issued. Kozhikode Airport sources all on board have been pulled out from the debris. So more news coming in. Remember, all on board pulled out from the debris, but now the Air Accident Investigation Bureau has formally announced that they will start the inquiry order issued. Remember, we keep harking back to that incident in 2010, I believe, that happened in Mangalore Airport on a tabletop airport. We'll have to see whether there are any similarities, what lessons were learned from Mangalore that Kozhikode could have followed, may not have followed. These are all for later. My focus at the moment has been on the remarkable rescue operations that have been carried out by the police, NDRF, and indeed the volunteers of Kozhikode. Just for our viewers, I just want to say this today. Kozhikode is remarkable because it has large Hindu, Muslim and Christian communities. And if you want to see how people work together, cutting across the so-called majority-minority divide, I suggest you travel at times to Calicut and look at how a church, a mosque and a temple can coexist, and indeed the health infrastructure of the state. I'm joined by Farhan, the CEO of the MIMS Hospital, one of the many hospitals in Calicut. Appreciate your joining us, Farhan. Give us the details that you have, how many people have come to your hospital and the nature of injuries, Farhan.
Now the current numbers is around 38. 38 patients are there. 3 have declared death, which includes 1 pilot and co-pilot.
Right. So 38 of them are with you, including a crew members, and are they all with relatively minor injuries, Farhan?
Around 4 are very critical and other are having injuries like fractures, burns and all. And around below 10 numbers are mild injuries.
So out of the 38, you would say 4 have critical injuries. Am I correct?
Yeah.
And the other hospital, about half a dozen hospitals to wait, because there were a total of 189 passengers and then 7 crew members. They are spread. Most of the injured have been taken to about half a dozen hospitals, including yours. Am I correct, Farhan?
Yeah. Majority are there in Calicut Medical College.
Right.
The total numbers are 191, out of which 38 are in Aster MIMS Calicut, and others are spread through the other private hospitals in 2 districts, that is Malappuram and Kozhikode.
Farhan, you said that the nature of injuries, fractures, so largely orthopedic injuries, a few burn injuries presumably as well. Farhan?
Yes.
Most of the injuries, nature of orthopedic injuries because of fractures, am I correct, Farhan, because of the heavy landing that took place?
Femur fractures and long bone fractures, which includes both arm and feet.
Right. So there were fractures to arm and feet, and there are 4 out of the 38 in your hospital have critical injuries, Farhan.
Yes.
Right. Farhan, once again, I want to, on my, the way in which all the hospitals in Calicut have responded to this crisis, these can't be easy times for you. These are COVID times, but in that, one senses that there's been a lot of the effort to bring the patients to the hospital in the earliest possible time, I think has had a huge impact in ensuring that the casualty levels are reduced. So to you and all your doctors who are presumably going to work right through the night now, right?
Yeah, all the doctors, all the HODs and all the department heads and other doctors are present here and they are all doing their job. We have already opened the emergency OT, operation theaters are on, but everything is under COVID protocols. COVID scenario is going on. So all the doctors are in full PPE and we have been checking COVID tests and all this are under COVID protocols.
So that's quite remarkable. You're telling me under COVID protocol, all the operation theaters have been opened, the OPDs have been opened, and you are ensuring that in this night as much can be done by your doctors. So presumably all of this being done under COVID protocol with PPE equipment. You have about 38 people who are in your hospital, out of which 4 are critical.
Yeah.
Right, Farhan. I appreciate your joining us, Farhan. You've given us more details. Let's hope that even those 4 who are critical do recover. As I said, the death toll, 2 figures being given to us between
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.